Sorry, my mic was off. So what I was just saying is that we are looking for this sell side to be taken out, and now we are going to take out the London low. Then we might even go to take out the Asia low, and I want to enter this trade somehow if we get a chance. Till then, let's look at NAS 100. The US 100 is falling as well. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index rejected from the breaker and started to go upside. Now we have this inversion fair value gap, this big inversion fair value gap. Let's see if market rejects from here or it keeps on going a higher prices. The London low has been taken out, so our next TSS will become this one. And if we look for the market to go lower than this, then we can look for shorts till the Asia low. Let's see if we get a TSS or not. If we get a TSS, then we will enter into a trade, and our entry and exit will be accordingly. Hello Fly44, how are you? Can you listen to my voice? Am I audible to you? Please confirm if you can listen to me. Can you listen to me? Fly 40 4 YT4. Yes, I know FXN. Yes, bro, I know FXN. I have hit their indicator. Do you want me to use their indicator? Let me show you. This is their indicator. These for three of these are their indicators, and currently they are showing sell signals from here. They are always saying sell signals on gold. Let's look at day trading. Let's switch off the signal scalping one. We are waiting for the market to give a TSS right now, or else the market, if the market fails to give a thunder structure shift, then the market will fall to Asia low. Thank you, Kings. Thank you, Kings Leona. Thank you, Kings Leona. You can hear me. Okay. Well, we are waiting for the market to give a thunder structure shift here and a fair value gap to enter longs. And if we don't get a thunder structure shift, then the market will fail to give a body candle close above, and it will try to go down. And if the market tries to go down, then it will go down to Asia low of the day. Just look at the price action at this place. we will be looking for longs right now. If we get a body candle close above this TSS, then we will be looking for longs. 20 more seconds to this candle to close. Once we get a body candle closer, then we will confirm our thunder structure shift, and then we will plan the trade accordingly. Okay, so the thunder structure shift has been confirmed. Now we need another candle to see if this candle or this candle becomes the thunder fair value gap. Once this is confirmed, once this candle closes, we will have our entry for longs. And remember, we are looking for longs. Just wait for this candle to close. Once this candle closes, we will enter into a trade. Well, I was long. I was in this trade long from like 1 hour. Then it went all the way up to 1:2.5 per hour, and then came back and stopped me out here. Let's see. Also, we have our thunder fair value gap and our entry. This is our entry, and we will enter with this fair value gap. So let me take entry into this short. I mean this long with 0.8 lots. SL will come all the way down here, so I will reduce this to $50. Okay, so we are done with our entry. We will enter here, and our stop loss will go all the way down to previous candle's low. Our entry is at this place, and we will look for 1:5 1:5 trade. Nothing more, nothing less, just 1:5 trade. Okay, so we have entered the trade, and we are yes, it is gold. King's Leno, yes, it's gold. Kings, we have longed the gold. Bro, when FXN will new funded accounts and offer? Well, if once for now the FXN is down, once they come back, then they will offer you the new accounts and offers. And for King's Leon, yes, this is gold. We are trading gold. We have long the gold right now with 0.6% in risk, and accordingly multiplied by 5, it is 3% in reward. So let's set the reward at, what is the price? 64613. 4613. Here $317. So here we are in our trade. If I write funded top challenge as of now, will I get it or not? I would say wait for FXN to come back online, and for now their payment method is also not working. So there is no point, and there is no way you can buy an account from them. If you want an account, then go to Wealth or Funded. You can get 50% off with code 50 off, and you can use the link in the descriptions. Yourself 20% off code. So but the payment method is still for now is not working, so you can't make any kind of purchases there. So if you want to buy an account, so go to Wealth or Funded, grab code 50 off to get 50% off, and use the link from my descriptions. You will see the dashboard. It's a very professional dashboard that we have at Wealth or Funded. Now let's view at this trade, how this trade goes. Right now the gold is going bullish. I'm sure of that. The gold will go to bullish and it will hit our TP. We will win macro time frame in just 7 minutes from now. The 850 to 910 macro will start in 7 minutes, and we will see impulsive moves after that. The gold has cleared all the sell side liquidities that was below the marketplace, and now the market will go bullish. If I hit TP, then one thing you can do is like my stream. Only if we hit TP, or then or else you can just leave. You don't have to like the stream. But if we hit TP, make sure to hit that like button. Now let's look at other markets, and let's look at dollar index for our observation, and then see if the market can go down or not. Well, by the way, we are rejecting from this inversion fair value gap, this one. The market is clearly rejecting from this inversion fair value gap, and I want the market to respect this and come down, and only if the dollar index comes down, only then the gold can rise up, and that is the only way for the gold to go up. Did you understand? The dollar index and the gold, they are both are anti-correlated. West Thunder FBG is my own concept, and I have never said it with anyone, and it's not free, so sorry, I can't explain that. I'm sorry for that. And this is the only model I use to trade gold. I think we will hit SL on this trade as well. The market is not respecting my levels today as it used to do earlier. Yeah, so we have hit the SL. So we are going to take out the SELO for sure. So we are in again we are in loss of $64. Yeah, SL is coming, bro. It hit our SL, and then it is going back up again. We can take another entry, but only if we get a new high from this. If we get a new high, then we can take a new entry. But before that, we can't take any entries. Let's look at US 100 and see if we can get any kind of entries. So in US 100, we do have an entry, but it is for the long side, and I am bearish for the market today, and I don't want to look at longs. We have this inversion fair value gap. The market has tapped into it, and it is going to the upside. I want to take this trade, this short. The gold, the inversion, sorry, the thunder fair value gap is not the most or even the good example of a trade right now. We have hit and again an SL. Sometime it works. It worked here. It worked here. It didn't work here. It worked a fine job here. It did a fine job here for 1:3 RR. And at this place, this was awesome in the morning time for the expansion trade. But right now, I am assured that the market will come down to a yellow. Are you from India? Yes, Fly 44. I am from India. Is there any problem with that? I will come in just 1 minute. Okay, so you are also from India. That is good. But this fair value gap works very well. I'm telling you that my model works very well. I have passed a three-step account with this model. I don't know why. हम कैसे रहिए हो जल तो गर्मी में हम तब से रहिए Okay, so let's see what happens now. The gold is not respecting our fair value gap at all. Mm, it is just doing like I was here in this thunder fair value gap. The yellow one was here. We chopped around for an hour, then went up. Then I got stopped out here. Now here I took the risk of $69 and then again got stopped out here. Market did react here, but then we got stopped out. So now let's see how the market goes. So we are total in $64 in loss today. We haven't taken any full TP till now on any trade. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index broke above the inversion fair value gap, and that is why the gold is going down. If the dollar index tries to go up, then the gold will fall, and if the gold falls, we will have another entry for sure. We failed that TSS, but we have another TSS for the short side as well. So now let's see what happens. Tiger funded, bro. Don't go with Tiger funded. They are scammers. No, Kings Leon. We are not going on long now. We have our levels defined. We will see if we are going short or long. We were long because I had my model and I follow my model. So with my risk management, so I was long. I hope you if you were taken that trade, you've managed your risk management and never go with Tiger funded, bro. They scammed me of 3.4k of payout. Don't go with Tiger funded. They are scammers. They have scammed me of 3.4k USD. They said I violated max leverage rule because but there is nothing as how can one person go max leverage for longs on gold? I have no idea right now. I want to see the London, not the SCL low to be swiped. I want to see that. Then the London low is swiped, and I want to see the SCL low swiped as well. The markets are not the markets are like treasured for the few days. They are manipulated too much, more than they should be. Let's look at US 100. The market is consolidating here as well. We will end this hourly candle in 6 minutes and then we will have new hourly candle. I hope this inversion fair value gap respect is respected. We will sort the market from here and look for sells to the this level. We might take a long again, but after this high is taken out. What did you buy? Okay, so you got scammed by more than 13k. Oh shit. FXN has scammed me too, bro. I am not connected with them anymore. They just blocked me on WhatsApp. They haven't paid my commissions even. They are like suspicious people, kind of suspicious. The market is creating this liquidity channel, that is liquidity zone. The market will again bounce, then take out the London high, maybe then fall to the Asia low. But the fall will come for sure, as much as I can think of the market right now. Because if the market was to go up, it should have gone away up, away from here. But the market was kept on the keeping down, kept on pressurized down. So you lost more than 13k on Tiger Funded. Just report them, bro. Just report them. Don't trade with them. Don't spend any money on them. Go with Wealth or Funded. Apply code 50 off for 50% off for SachinM to get 25% off. Use the code in the description. The first code you see, you can see Wealth or Funded. The second code is DNA Funded. You can get 15% off on that account. You can even buy a 5k instant starter account for dollar 10 from Blue Guardian. And if you are interested in trading futures accounts, then go for the fourth link, that is Blue Guardian Futures. You would code SMT to get 70% off instantly. Let's look at US 100 now. The market is going sideways and we don't have anything right now. I think the video is not going properly. Well, like the stream please and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because we don't fake trades, we take real trades. let's look at dollar index. Okay, so the dollar index has given a change in state of delivery, so that is good for gold to go up. So we will use this TSS to go for longs. Please, I will say that tiger funded people are scammers. I will say that stay aware. They might just deny your payout. They even denied my payout and just blocked me from their Discord. Tiger funded people are scammers. Let me just tell you first in the first hand place. Let's see, we might get a long hair. Let's for the body candle closer. So we got a body candle close here. Now we want this candle to close body with a body candle close. Then we will use this fair value gap to go for longs. We should have used a bigger stop loss, I think. Was this a valid FVG? Yes, this was a valid thunder fair value gap, not this one. Now let's place our order. We place our order here. SL goes to here. We blow up the previous candle and we look for 1:5. Yes, yeah, I will be swapped very easily 1:5. This is going to be the last trade of the day. I will lower my lot size. Okay. I have bought the marketplace now, and let's see where is my TP. My TP is at 46.36. 46.36 is my TP. Let's see if we get filled in and if we go to our target. I am a little suspicious about this trade. I think this was a liquidity swipe and our trade is on the downside. That is from this TSS. So what I will do is just exit this trade as soon as possible. Go to 0.000000000. $5, $6, $4. I am totally unbiased right now. Let's not cancel this, but uh, drag the SL to here because I'm not sure of this. The market might try to go down. Let's wait for this candle to close. If it closes bullish, we will just trace the SL just now because I'm not sure that the market will go up. I have traced the SL because I'm not sure that market can go up. I think the this was a liquidity swipe and the market will go down to this yellow. That is why. If the market is to go up, it does not need to touch the 100 fair value gap again. I will just swipe this down a little bit more to the lowest point possible. I'm not. I'm uncertain about the gold going being bullish today. I think the market will fall after this stop loss. I am not sure, and this 100 FVG is also not in a place setup. So we are stopped out. We will look for this TSS now. We are not into this trade. We are out of this trade. Bro, please confirm so I will not get trapped. Bro, what about FX and which is listed on offer? Can you please confirm the CK funded and please see bro. I will say just don't go with any of the firms listed with FX and apart from DNA funded and bull waves. If you want to buy an account, go with the wealth or funded. They are also offering 50% off on accounts. Go with wealth or funded. The CK funded is like just one time payout, and I think they also have scam reports, so please don't go with them. The FXN guys have blocked me on WhatsApp, bro. So I really don't have much information regarding them. We were in partnership, but they blocked me without any notice or anything. I have payment from them. I have due payment from them like 500 to 600 euros, but they have blocked me and they haven't paid me yet. Don't go with accounts at FXN for right now. The only account that I can suggest on FXN is Bullwaves Prime and DNA Funded. If you want to go buy an account, go with DNA Funded. I don't think that payment option is available on FXN. Let me show you. FXN form of analysis dot countless proportions. Let's see. You are talking about these firms, right? Let me show you. You are talking about CK Funded. Okay, let's show you the CK Funded account. See, you come here, you click on buy now, and see there is no payment method available. Please contact us for help placing our order. So please, there is no way to you can contact them. I tried to contact them, but you can see they are not available for now. They are down for now. wait until they come back online, and only then you can have any orders placed. I just told you, bro, just don't buy any account from FX and for now. Let them come back online. Let's look at US 100. The US 100 is also doing slow price action. As I said, we will go for sales now and target the Asia low, or at least opening of the day. This is for 4,474. Let me show you wealth aura funded. Wealth aura funded. Wait a minute. Did you see their trust pilot? They have four four stars on trust pilot. Let's sorry 3.8 stars on trust pilot. Let's look at the awards first. Just recently bought 1K two-step account. I by this passed the account today, but they didn't give me my phase 1 certificate and phase 2 account. He didn't reply me. Okay, hi Adil, and you are currently in phase 2. The funded certificate is only issued once that reach the funded stage, so you will need to complete phase 2 in order to receive it. Now that seems a fair reason. Now let's look at good reviews. Inner Circle Trader, good spreads, smooth dashboard, just finished my challenge phase. Will start trading live account from today and share my funded experience so far. That's good. One guy got funded. Now let's log in. Oh, I can't log in like that. I have to. Let's see their pricings first. Bro, I'm going. Oh, thanks, bro. Okay, bro. Have a nice day. Now let's see if this breaker can keep the prices lower on gold. Sorry, dollar index. If we go short, then gold will go up. But if dollar index breaks this breaker and goes up, then there is no way that the gold is not going down. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is reacting with breaker short. So if the dollar index goes down, the gold will surely go up. Let's look at Nasdaq. We have this inversion fair value gap here. The market came and went up higher with this, like here, going up till this inversion fair value gap. The market will open in 12 minutes and then we will see what happens, either the market goes up or goes down. The dollar index has begun to respect this breaker, so the gold will go up. And I am thinking, why did I close the trade so early? We are still looking for lower prices. We want a fall down to this sell side liquidity. We are just looking for our market to come down and we have nothing to do. The market will open in 6 minutes and we will see some kind of action then. Let's see how it goes. The dollar index is has broken the breaker short. That means it will go up higher to so the gold can come down now. So we can use this fair value gap. Let's see here. We might use this fair value gap to go short. because the dollar index has decided to go up. The gold should come down, and to come down the gold should use this fair value gap, and I will enter. This would be my last entry of the day. Mill stop loss being at 0.5 here. The market went up already. What is this? I mean, what is this happening? Like, there is no structure in the market today. The gold is going up, and at the same time the dollar index is going up. The market is really behaving very strangely today. Like, really strange behavior is of the market. The market has opened in just like 1 minute ago, and now the volatility has come. Well, this is going to be the last trade of the day, and hope I just don't get taken out right now. The stop loss is at 45.78, 45.78 here, and TP would go 1:5. So the TP is 45.28, 45.28, 45.28 to $50 to be exact. Let's see how this trade goes. Whoa, what a week. We didn't expect this. We were not expecting this kind of price action at all. We have a mohawk here, and let's see if the mohawk is respected. If the mohawk is respected, then we will see the lower prices for sure. Our SL and TP is very small as compared to we used to had today. I want to see a close below this to be assured of the market going lower. Mm. The market can come all the way to the SCL low, but we are only targeting the 1 is to 5 IR trade. Let's look at US 100 on the trading view chart and see if it is okay. So the inversion fair value gap has been um, invalidated. When the market opened, there was no big price moves at all. The Dixie is going up. I hope the Dixie goes to the upside so the gold can fall. We are waiting for the market to close below this line with a body candle closer. Only then we can be assured that market will go down. Until then, we are under the uncertainty of the marketplace. We are barcoding right now, and there was no body candle closer below this line. That is for 4557 level. The market pushed all the way up, back up. Hmm. So we are totally barcoding here on 1 minute time frame. This candle closer was not good at all. I want to see a body candle closer below this black line here. So let's just wait for the market to give a body candle close. Now don't go for another barcode, please. Just don't go for another barcode. Still no body candle closer below this line, and that's a bad sign for it all. That's a very bad sign. We are going back up again. Just give one body candle close. Come on. Just one body candle close is required to this MSS. Just one body candle close. Yeah, it has given a body candle close. Awesome. Now we can expect lower prices very fast. The market is going down. We have this probably a thunder OB to the sell side. I think this is the right time for the market to fall because we are about to enter the macro time frame in just 1 minute. Within just 1 minute, we will enter the macro time frame. What happened on my MT5? Where did it freeze? It just froze. What is happening? Okay, so it came back online now. So we are about to hit the full TP. We will hold the trade till we hit the full TP. currently in 1% up on the account. We will be 2% up if we get full TP, and I want to hit the full TP, but one thing we can do is go break even above this thunder fair value gap, that is $50 in profit. We are in macro time frame now, and the market is falling very fast. Let's see if someone has any questions. Okay, so no one is watching my trade. Hey, if you are watching my trade, then can you please like the stream and hit the subscribe button as well? And can you confirm you can listen to me, or am I properly audible? Let's see. I want to target the ACL low, but I don't want to mess up with my risk to reward ratio, risk management. So we will stick with it. We will stick with this 1:5 RR trade. So we have few more pips to hit our full TP. We are just like, once we get TSS, then there will be a mass drop. We are like 13 pips, 130 pips away from our take profit. We are just waiting for this TSS. Once we get this TSS with a body candle closer, then the market might fall to the SLO. I might even have to consider to close this trade if the TSS is being respected, because it will drive the prices higher. This is a bad, very bad candle closer. Very bad candle closer. The market might go bullish from here. As you can see, the market has been rejecting from this area a lot. This liquidity is swiped. This liquidity is swiped. Now this liquidity is swiped as well. The market is quite uncertain right now. We will close this hourly candle in 2 minutes, or to be exact, in 1 minute and 30 seconds. This is the last minute candle of this hour, and after this we will have another 1 hour candle. 'So just watching the charts. Just give a body candle close below this TSS, and I will trace my take profit to London low, sorry, Asia low. 5 4 3 2 1. This is the new hour candle now, and let's see how this prints on the price chart. Mm, we will see what kind of candles it prints on the price chart. Okay. Now it's going down. Let's come down. I will trail the SL to here, sorry, here. Come down. Now you have to come down. That's your fate now. So at what position is the 44.56 is the CLO. 44.56, right? SCLO is 44.56. 44.56. 44.56. 44.56 is quite low. 56, but we will take a partial at 1:5 RR. The market reversed, but it will not go below this fair value gap. This fair value gap, it should not go above this one. This is a thunder fair value gap for the lower side. That's why I traced the SL above this candle. If you go down, we take $104. Should we take a partial and move SL to BE? I don't think so. We should believe in our model. If we get to $200, then I might consider taking a partial. Or when we come to 1:5, then for sure I will take a partial. But before that, my SL will be the partial level at all. Just looking at the marketplace, seeing the prices fluctuate. This is an hourly candle. And we are expecting a big price drop. So this candlestick, please. So we are watching the price fluctuate right now. We are at our SL. Let's see if the SL is taken out or we get to our TP. This was a good place to take out. I think we will take the SL out. Or should we take the risk and trace the SL to BE? I would say take the risk and trace the SL to BE or above the Thunder Fair OB. That would be good. Tracing the SL of the Thunder OB. and now we are experiencing a engineering of liquidity. I did trace SL, but I think I did the right thing, because even if we get hit SL, we will hit the break even point. I still think the market will go down, and